Okie doke. Welcome back, everybody. Been a couple weeks here since I've spoke to you. Had quite a bit going on, and just kind of updating here a little bit. As you can see right here, I am not, this is not my trailer. Still hauling a little bit of corn. There you can see the truck back there. That's the black Peterbilt. That's the Black Pete that has been seen in a couple previous videos. A friend of mine's where I parked my truck. So I am recording this on my phone is what I'm trying to say. I got distracted. I'm like a squirrel or in a car, like a dog bark after him. I did it earlier, but anyway, so I'm recording on my phone. I don't know how well the sound's going to turn out or nothing. I'm trying to do it with the front-facing camera, so that's kind of why I'm a little shaky. But anyway, I wanted to update you what's going on. I do have a truck bought. The truck's home. Everything's taken care of in that sense. I did buy the truck that if you've seen on my community page or my Instagram, that I flew to Colorado to look at. I did buy that truck. And I will be doing an unveiling video here very, very soon with that. I worked on the truck all last week myself, and then there was a few things that I wanted to touch up on. They weren't necessarily detrimental things, but they were things that I thought, well, I want to go ahead and get taken care of before I hit the road. So it's in the shop, getting a couple things. I'll go into detail when I do the unveiling video, but this video's here. I'm just going to show, or you've probably already seen, because I'll include that somewhere in the video, I guess. I don't know if I'll put it at the front or the beginning, but I recorded some video, took some pretty pictures of flying over Colorado and stuff. I've explained to most of you guys that, flying's a kind of a big passion of mine, a hobby. So anytime I go out flying, I definitely take plenty of pictures. But, so I'm going to include all that in this video at some point, either in the front, so you've already seen it, or at the end of the video, and you'll see it then. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know all's well. We're doing good. The truck's bought. The trailer's fixed. Not that there was anything broke. I just had some custom work done to it. Had the reefer serviced. What else did I have done? A couple other things we'll go into detail and discuss about. But anyway, I don't know if you probably can't hear it, but off in the distance, way over back there's the combine. And this is actually kind of unprecedented for me. I'm the only one trucking today, and usually it's pull in, get loaded, and go back to town. It's about 15 miles back up to town to dump. And I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes, so I don't know. I wonder if something broke and they just got going up and going again. But anyway, so here's a little update. Like I said, I'll include that footage of the airplane ride and some cool pictures there. And yeah, I guess we'll talk to you in a little bit. buddy of mine, him and his dad's little bin site here. That's a storage bin over there. Storage bin that we're dumping into. And then there's two, what they call dryer bins over there. It's run on a continuous flow. So you can dump like wet corn or beans into one. It'll suck it out from the dryer bin, put it into the dryer, or the storage bin into the dryer, and then from the dryer into a storage bin, and then it flows underground into this great big bin over there, which you store all your dry grain in. And then this one here is just a storage. I mean, it has fans and everything, but it's not like an actual propane fired dryer. But anyway, we're dumping here from the hopper. As you can see, we've got this little backhoe pullover pit, and pretty simple. It dumps down in there, augers it up there on a belt into the floor, or onto the trap there, and then up there I think that's a 110-foot auger all the way back there. There's obviously the no-no area, the PTO shaft. So it takes I think a minimum of 100 horse tractor to run this auger. So this is like a 125 horse tractor, I think, with a loader on it. And they got a fertilizer barn right there. Over there where that night light is, there's two. Those are 550-foot long chicken barns. And let's see what else. Yeah, I mean, there's the truck. There's the trailer. If you look in the reflection, there's the idiot holding the camera. So I tried shooting some videos here kind of from dark to start up and running this thing, but if I didn't do it real good, I'll shoot it again, and we'll get that thrown into this video. But probably just going to be a long night hauling corn. So we'll talk to you later. Okay, here's farming / grain hauling done right, in my opinion. Sitting in my pickup, last load of the night. There's the truck. Of course, there's the tractor over there. And there's a little better view of what I was talking about. Storage bin. That little bin right there is continuous flow, and then this little 5105 tractor behind it is a wet bin, and then that's my buddy's dad's wagon and his tractor and everything. So and then there's cows in that barn and stuff there. So anyway, hope this little video turns out okay, and B, kind of gives you a little insight of what's going on. Like I said, the new truck's in the shop, getting just minor things, wear and tear, nothing major, nothing horrible, taken care of. So we should be back on the road trucking next week. I'll get this edited and put together and uploaded as quick as I can. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning back in with me. My last video is doing great. I think we're knocking on the door like 27 or 8,000 views now, and I'm ecstatic about that. And hopefully, the channel continues to grow yet again. So, thanks, guys. Have a great one. We'll talk to you soon, and keep on trucking. couldn't think of a closing. Have a good one, guys.